Tasteful transformations, how Mediterranean cuisine revolutionized my healthy meal routine. Picture this. A table adorned with vibrant, colorful dishes, emanating an irresistible aroma that tickles the senses. This is the magic of Mediterranean cuisine. A culinary journey that has transformed my healthy meal routine. Today, I invite you to join me on this flavorful adventure, where we'll uncover the secrets of this renowned diet and explore its incredible health benefits. As I delved into the world of Mediterranean cuisine, I was astounded by its rich history and cultural significance. Originating from the countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, this cuisine reflects the traditional eating habits of the people living in Greece, Italy, Spain, and other neighboring regions. It's a celebration of fresh, wholesome ingredients that not only nourish the body but also tantalize the taste buds. At the heart of Mediterranean cuisine lies the Mediterranean diet, which has gained international recognition for its numerous health benefits. Unlike restrictive diets that leave you feeling deprived, this approach focuses on abundance and variety. It encourages the consumption of whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds, while minimizing the intake of processed foods and saturated fats. One of the star ingredients in Mediterranean cuisine is olive oil, which is not only a staple in their recipes but also a key contributor to their longevity. Rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, olive oil has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease and stroke. Its velvety texture and distinct flavor add a luxurious touch to any dish, making it a delight to incorporate into your meals. Another standout feature of the Mediterranean diet is its emphasis on seafood. Fish, such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel, are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to improve heart health and reduce inflammation. These nutrients not only nourish your body but also support brain function, making seafood an essential component of a well-rounded Mediterranean meal. The Mediterranean diet also champions the consumption of fresh fruits and vegetables, which are bursting with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. From juicy tomatoes and crisp cucumbers to vibrant bell peppers and luscious grapes, the Mediterranean region offers an array of produce that adds a burst of flavor and nutrition to every dish. These colorful gems not only contribute to a healthy meal routine but also protect against chronic diseases and promote overall well-being. Moreover, the Mediterranean diet embraces the communal aspect of mealtime. It encourages gathering with loved ones, savoring each bite, and fostering a sense of connection. This mindful approach to eating not only enhances the dining experience but also promotes better digestion and satisfaction. By slowing down and savoring the flavors of Mediterranean cuisine, you can truly appreciate the nourishment it provides. Now that you've discovered the wonders of Mediterranean cuisine, it's time to embark on your own culinary adventure. Start by incorporating Mediterranean-inspired dishes into your weekly meal plan. Experiment with flavors such as lemon, garlic, oregano, and basil to add a Mediterranean twist to your favorite recipes. And don't forget to enjoy a glass of red wine in moderation, as it's a common accompaniment to meals in the Mediterranean region. In conclusion, Mediterranean cuisine has revolutionized my healthy meal routine, introducing me to a world of flavors and health benefits. By embracing the Mediterranean diet and its wholesome ingredients, I've experienced a renewed sense of vitality and well-being. So, Why not join me on this flavorful journey and discover the joys of Mediterranean cuisine for yourself? Your taste buds and your health will thank you. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content and delicious recipes. Together, let's explore the world of Mediterranean cuisine and unlock the secrets of a healthier, tastier life.